Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Saif, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use Twilio to send SMS to phone numbers of your users. So let's see how. We will follow up a process which requires no coding. There is also another process which actually requires coding. However, it's a long process that requires the use of Visual Studio and C#. Since this is a beginner tutorial, we will just explain the method without coding. So first, let's start for free from here. So let's just enter all these data. And let's accept the terms. And okay, let's just add some characters here. Okay, now let's accept and start your free trial. Okay, now we need to verify. Okay. And start free trial. Almost there. Okay, now I will verify my email and I will come back to you. After verifying, we have been redirected to this page. So now let's insert our country code and phone number. And let's press send verification code. Let's just add 0 here. And send verification code. Okay, I got the code. And here we are. Okay, great. Now it will ask you some basic information. Let's just select anything now. SMS, plan to build alerts and notifications, which best describes your organization, non-profit, independent. And here we will choose with no code at all. What is your goal for today? Anything, build something myself, and now let's get started. Almost there, and here we are. So let's just skip this tutorial. Done. And for the beginning of this tutorial, you need to just make a simple step, which is from phone numbers here, or you can just follow this. Press on get phone number. And here it will give you a free phone number. So let's just copy and paste it. Let's just copy it for now. And next, all what you need to do is to just go to explore products here. Now let's choose search for API Explorer. Here it is. Let's select it. You can also pin it from this choice and select pin to sidebar from here. Now let's choose calls, then let's choose, let's return a step back, and then now here let's choose programmable SMS because we want to create an SMS. So here we will choose create a message, and it will redirect us here. Now let's duplicate this tab because we will use this tab and another tab. And here you can choose the format. Now you can choose the account SID. This is only one option here because it only comes one with the free plan. And if we went to develop to our homepage, you will find your account SID here. You can copy and paste it. However, in the newer versions, you don't have to do so because it's already in a drop-down menu. Next, you can choose to send the SMS to a specific number. So now let's go here. And from phone numbers, we need to select verified caller IDs. This shows all the numbers that have been verified by your website, and so you can send messages to them. So let's copy this and paste it into here. From you can select the number you've got. So if we went back to the other tab and we selected active numbers, you will find the number that you have generated at the beginning of this tutorial. In the free subscription, it only gives you a single free number. If you want more numbers, you need to subscribe to other premium plans. So here we can choose the active number that we have been given, and here you can select the SID, which is the same as this one. So if you want to copy and paste it, you can go to your dashboard or go to your account from here. And you can just navigate downward and copy the SID from here. Now let's go back to the message and paste it here. In the body, you can write the body of your text. And as we change in any of these tabs, you will find that the right panel also changes the coding. So I would really recommend not to make any edits in this panel if you are not familiar with coding. Here you can place a URL, you can write status callback. All of these options are totally optional. And when you are done filling all these data that you want, you can just go and press on make request, and your message is gonna be sent successfully. Here you can make sure if your message have been sent or not from this response. Here it shows you that you have a mistake or you have an error. Now let's follow this error that I intentionally made so that we know how to track our errors. Here it says that the messaging service SID is invalid. Now let's return here and check in our parameters where is the message service SID. Here it is. So I am not supposed to enter the account SID into the messaging service SID. So I will remove this and I will not put anything in it. I will leave it just blank because I do not have messaging service SID. I just have an account SID. Now let's return and make a request and see the response. Here it says that it is created. So it has been successfully sent. Unluckily, I cannot share my phone screen. However, I will approach it to the mic so that you can hear if the message has been sent or not. So I will make the request again, and you can listen to the notification. So it has been sent successfully. So this is how you can use Twilio in sending SMS to your clients. So once that is done, an SMS will be sent from the generated number to the verified number of your user. This is all you need to know about how you can send an SMS with Twilio. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. If you like this video, press on like, then subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.